2.4 An epitome of courage. So my dear friend, if you have watched the previous video, you can answer these questions. What do you mean by an epitome? Is this lesson about Galileo? What is ALS and when did Stephen notice his clumsiness? So my dear friend, let us see what happened when Dr. Stephen's doctors diagnosed the disease related with the nervous system suffering Dr. Stephen. Page number 63. How much time he had left on his planet was very uncertain. The prognosis was bad and the doctor said they could not do much. Undaunted, Stephen decided to continue his research and even not engaged to Jane Wild. Hawking says that, ironic as it may sound, it is at this dismal stage he began enjoying life the most. This, he says, was because he started living life for the moment and continued his doctoral research work with renewed vigor. So my dear friend, Dr. Hawking was suffering from the disease of nervous system and the doctors predicted not good for his health. Thereafter, Dr. Hawkins started to live for the moment, and he started to enjoy the life, and he says till when he is onto the earth he should live lively, and he decided to continue his researches. In the meanwhile, the disease worked its way into Stephen's body and left him disabled. He began studying the concept of black holes to get his PhD. By this time, he was confined to a wheelchair and was rapidly losing control of his hands and his speech. The study of black holes sparked his imagination with bright ideas. He made many epoch-making statements that shook established theories. Scientists believed that the universe began with Big Bang. To explain this concept better, Stephen invented what is known as Lie algebra. So my dear friend, Dr. Stephen was suffering from the disease, and disease started to show its effect on his body, and Dr. Hawkins was thrown totally on the wheelchair, but he was continued with his research about the black holes, and thereafter he has given two much important statements related to science, and even scientists have assumed that the Big Bang theory for the origin of universe. To explain this theory, the Dr. Hawkins given Lie algebra. So my dear friends, after having too much disabilities with him, but Dr. Hawkins was full of courage and he was continued with his research and developments. Though confined to a wheelchair with no control over his body, save a finger, and with a computer to help him express his thoughts, Dr. Hawking is an authority on profound subjects of science. Numerous honorary doctorates and awards have been bestowed on him. He is a fellow of the Royal Society and a member of the US National Academy of Science. My dear friends, Dr. Hawkins was confined with a wheelchair, and he was at that time having no control on his body, but he was using computer to express his thoughts, and thereafter many honorary awards was given to him, and he became a fellow of the Royal Society and even a member of United States National Academy of Science. So he has shown that if you are having hope with you and you are having courage with you, you can continue with your willings and you can achieve your goals. So what happened next we will see into our next video. Till then, thank you.